Hello, my name is Tanya Sinha and I am SRM Alumni BTech 2020 Computer Science graduate. Currently, I am working in TCS as a system engineer. My current job role is SQL Database Administrator in BFSI sector, and I am also supporting for MongoDB. I am here to share my Red Hat journey with you all. I was a part of Gen Y Club during my college days. My seniors used to attend Red Hat training. Inspired from them, I took the Red Hat training from third year itself. I got enrolled for RHCSS certification, and within 4 months, I gave RHCSS examination. I got 300 out of 300, which gave me a confidence. And then again, I enrolled for RHCE certification. It again took 4 months duration to complete it, and I gave RHCE examination, and I got 281 out of 300. This is the most recognized certification. It acts as an add-on to your resume. No matter which company you are applying, the chance of getting your resume selected will always be a little higher. This certification not only helped me in my academics, but it also helped me in my final year project. It is also helping me in my day-to-day activities, whether it's a LDAP authentication issue or user access permission, or it's a memory management or anything. We need to know the basics of Linux terminologies. These terminologies will help you to grow more, to do your day-to-day work more efficiently. No one in IT world will teach you these basic concepts. It's good to have a prior understanding of these terminologies. A good software developer or engineer should know these things as it helps them in their day-to-day work. I hope you all pass with flying colors. Thank you.